Unlock cloves' secrets for body and passion. Unlock the secret spice in your kitchen and discover the transformative power of cloves. This ancient spice, revered for centuries, holds modern-day marvels that can revolutionize your wellness journey, enhancing both your health and your intimate life in remarkable ways. Cloves, with their potent antioxidant properties, work tirelessly to combat free radicals that can wreak havoc on your body. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, cloves help maintain cellular integrity, boosting your overall health and vitality, keeping you feeling youthful. Beyond their antioxidant prowess, cloves are a digestive aid. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing the digestive process and reducing uncomfortable bloating. Incorporating cloves into your meals can lead to a happier, more efficient digestive system. Remarkably, cloves also play a role in enhancing sexual desire and performance. Known for their aphrodisiac qualities, they can invigorate your libido, adding spice to your intimate life. Cloves offer a natural way to boost sexual health and vitality. Cloves are celebrated for their antibacterial properties, making them a natural ally in maintaining oral health. They combat bacteria responsible for bad breath and gum disease, promoting a healthier mouth and fresher breath, ensuring your smile is always at its best. Cloves play a significant role in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. They help improve insulin function, which is crucial for controlling blood glucose. Including cloves in your diet can be a natural way to support diabetes management and enhance metabolic health. These tiny spice wonders are packed with anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce swelling and pain in the body. By decreasing inflammation, cloves can contribute to improved joint health and alleviate symptoms associated with conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Cloves are a natural booster for the immune system. Rich in vitamin C and other essential nutrients, they enhance the body's ability to fight off infections and diseases. Regular consumption of cloves can lead to stronger defenses against common illnesses. Stress and anxiety can be eased with the calming properties of cloves. The aroma and compounds found in cloves help relax the mind and body, promoting a sense of tranquility. Incorporating cloves into your routine can contribute to a more balanced and peaceful life. Improved blood circulation is another benefit cloves offer, which enhances overall vitality. By promoting better blood flow, cloves ensure that essential nutrients and oxygen reach all parts of the body efficiently, supporting cardiovascular health and boosting energy levels. Cloves have been celebrated for their ability to calm the mind and reduce stress. Their soothing aroma and natural compounds can alleviate anxiety, promoting a sense of tranquility. Incorporating cloves into your routine may help you unwind and find balance. Incorporating cloves into your daily life is simple. Add them to teas, sprinkle ground cloves into recipes, or use clove essential oil for aromatherapy. These practices can effortlessly integrate the spice's health benefits into your everyday routine. While cloves offer numerous benefits, it's important to use them wisely. Overconsumption can lead to side effects like irritation or allergic reactions. It's recommended to consult a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage for your needs. A friend shared that adding cloves to her diet improved her digestion and reduced her stress levels. She found that cloves, combined with a healthy lifestyle, significantly enhanced her overall well-being and zest for life. Nutritionist Dr. Emily Carter notes that cloves are a powerhouse of nutrients. She emphasizes their role in boosting immunity and improving health. Dr. Carter recommends moderate consumption as part of a balanced diet to harness their full potential. A well-known nutritionist emphasizes cloves' remarkable health benefits, noting their high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. Their inclusion in a balanced diet can enhance overall wellness, offering a natural boost to immunity, digestion, and even sexual health. Common questions about cloves include their safe consumption levels and potential interactions with medications. Many wonder if clove oil can be used topically or if cloves should be consumed whole or ground. Addressing these queries helps demystify this powerful spice. Visual aids can significantly enhance understanding. Consider animations showing free radical neutralization or infographics illustrating improved circulation. These visuals can make the benefits of cloves more relatable, encouraging viewers to incorporate them into their daily lives. Viewers are invited to share their personal experiences with cloves, fostering a community of shared knowledge and support. This interaction can reveal additional benefits and unique uses, enriching everyone's understanding of how cloves can enhance their lives. In summary, the benefits of cloves are diverse and impactful, ranging from improved digestion to enhanced immunity. Incorporating this spice into daily routines offers a natural way to boost health and vitality, making cloves a valuable addition to any kitchen. Embrace the transformative power of cloves by incorporating them into your daily routine. Share your journey and experiences with others, and let's spread the word about this incredible spice's benefits. Encourage friends to explore cloves and enhance their wellness. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful health tips and discoveries by subscribing to our channel. Your well-being is our passion, and we're excited to continue this journey with you. Here's to a healthier, happier you.